Today I'm going to be talking about this 18-inch Neewer ring light that I got from Amazon for only $99. I've had it for a whole year and I love it. Hi, my name is Belgica and I'm an actress in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I make acting related videos as well as skits. Every Monday and Thursday they go up at 7 a.m. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe right now. Be sure to stay until the end because I'm going to give you a few tips on how to use this ring light, including how to avoid that little circle in your eye when you're using it. I'm going to be talking about this ring light because I've had it for a whole year and it's probably one of my favorite things that I own because it just makes my life so much easier. When I first started filming self-tape auditions and filming YouTube videos, I would have to go crazy in my apartment and figure out where to film, and if I filmed for too long, the light would change, so when you go to edit, it just looks crazy. And with this light, you can film at any time, day or night. That's another thing. If you want to film during the night, you're pretty much but this ring light, you can just pop it on and you are ready to film. It's crazy. It's crazy how much this light improves your life. If you're an actor or if you're a YouTuber, you definitely need this. Don't get trapped, late at night, like, oh, I was supposed to send this audition by tomorrow, but I'm not gonna have time to film it. You want your self-tape auditions to look professional. You want your YouTube videos to look nice and professional, well lit. This does the job. Of course, right now I'm sitting in front of the window, but just sitting in front of a window limits you so much. If the clouds move, some kind of weather like rain or something, or if it's nighttime, it drives me crazy. I'd rather just pop this on and be able to have the same lighting through my whole video, my whole self-tape audition. So I really like this light. It was only $99 on Amazon. Came with free shipping, of course, with Prime. I think this is a great deal for $99 because it has these white filters that you can put on, and it also has some orange ones. This long tripod, you can make it a lot longer. You can also make it really short, which is super convenient if you want to be sitting down. It has a mount here for your phone or your camera. You can use whatever you want. You can just pop it off and put your camera in, or that right now I have my phone mount because I usually have my phone on there. And it is really light and easy to carry in this bag that it came with. Look at this bag. That's it. You can go on like BART, on Uber. You can take this anywhere because it is so light if you wanted to film somewhere else or you wanted to take photos with your family on Christmas or whatever. And everything fits in here. The tripod, the ring light, it all fits in this carrier, which is amazing. I think it's gonna pay for itself. You're gonna use it so many times that you're gonna be like, $100? Who cares? This thing is great. This is like my best friend. I definitely recommend it if you're an actor, if you're a YouTuber, whatever, if you just wanted to use it for your Instagram photos or for your FaceTime calls, and it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches. We also use it for FaceTiming our family. It's just a great light and it just gives you the perfect lighting. So right now I have my ring light within reaching distance, and what you want to do to be able to get rid of this circle is to just back away, and the further you back away, the less you're going to be able to see the ring in your eyes. So if you do like it, the ring around your eyes, all you have to do is get really close. So for my actor friends that want to buy this for a self-tape audition, it is great for a full body or just a portrait shot. So if you're an actor or a YouTuber, I think it's a great investment. Or even if you're whatever you are, you can use this for FaceTiming or just taking pictures. This video's feature goes out to Jasmine Milan. She's actually one of my best friends, and she has a YouTube channel and has a bunch of fun skits. I'm in some of them. You guys should definitely go check her out. If you would like to be featured on my next video, be sure you're subscribed, like this video, and comment what is one way you use to light your videos or photos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. This week's channel feature goes to Jasmine Milan. She makes really funny skits and I'm in some of them, so you guys should definitely go check it out. If you would like to be featured in my next video, be sure you're subscribed, like this video, and comment down below what you use when you have to take pictures or film. And include a film camera emoji so I know you want to be featured. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.